Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Sololearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within your homepage, from which you can start learning various different lessons. Now, if you wish to change the language for the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots at the top right, which will show you the settings button. Go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down until you see the language button. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose from the list of various different languages that are available for this application. Tap on whichever language you prefer, and this will now apply this language to your account right away. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change your app language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Sololearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.